Welcome to the Amazon rainforest, the largest and most magnificent rainforest on Earth, sprawling over 5.5 million square kilometers across 9 countries. This vibrant tapestry of green envelops an extraordinary array of flora and fauna, making it a biodiversity hotspot unlike any other. A myriad of towering trees, lush undergrowth, and climbing vines create a stunning landscape that is both enchanting and vital to our planet's health. Home to approximately 390 billion individual trees belonging to around 16,000 species, the Amazon is a testament to the incredible diversity of life that thrives in this rich ecosystem. Within this vast expanse, insects play an indispensable role that often goes unnoticed. Although small in size, these tiny creatures contribute significantly to the rainforest's overall health and balance. Acting as pollinators, decomposers, and prey for larger animals, insects maintain the delicate equilibrium of life in the Amazon. They help in the decomposition of organic matter, returning valuable nutrients to the soil, which in turn nurtures the towering trees and vibrant plants. Insects also assist in pollination, facilitating the reproduction of countless plant species that provide food and shelter for a myriad of animals. Their presence is a key indicator of the rainforest's ecological viability, emphasizing the interconnectedness of all living beings. But that's not all. Prepare to be amazed by the giants of the insect world. In this video, we will delve deeper into the fascinating realm of giant insects, some of which are found nowhere else on Earth. These colossal creatures, such as the Goliath beetle with its extraordinary size and striking coloration, epitomize nature's wonders. We will also encounter the fearsome Titanus giganteus, the world's largest longhorn beetle, with a wingspan that can exceed 15 centimeters. Each of these giants holds secrets about their adaptations, behaviors, and roles within the ecosystem that are ripe for discovery. Get ready to be captivated by their unique appearances and remarkable traits as we explore how they navigate and thrive in the dense underbrush of the Amazon rainforest. In the lush greenery of forests, giant stick insects blend seamlessly into their surroundings, a testament to nature's ingenuity and camouflage. These remarkable creatures exhibit a flat, elongated body that mimics twigs and branches, allowing them to evade the keen eyes of predators. When sunlight filters through the dense canopy, it dances over their textured exoskeleton, creating a mesmerizing illusion that is hard to distinguish from the woodwork of their habitat. This mastery of disguise is evolutionary brilliance. The giant stick insect remains motionless, adopting the appearance of a branch as birds, reptiles, and other predators pass by, oblivious to their presence. In moments of peril, these insects have also been known to sway gently, imitating the movements of branches swaying in the wind, further enhancing their disguise. This dramatic adaptation not only helps them survive, but also ensures the continuation of their species in a world filled with predators. In addition to their impressive camouflage, giant stick insects play a vital role in their ecosystem. As herbivores, they feed primarily on leaves, favoring those from a variety of plants. Their selective feeding habits contribute to plant health by aiding in leaf turnover and promoting new growth. As they nourish themselves, they inadvertently contribute to the intricate web of life surrounding them, establishing a connection between plants and animals. The process of decomposition is equally important in the life cycle of giant stick insects. When they consume leaves, the organic matter that they excrete enriches the soil, returning vital nutrients back to the earth and fostering new plant growth. This natural recycling process is crucial for the health of the ecosystem, ensuring that nutrients are continually circulated and available for other organisms. Moreover, when these insects eventually die, their bodies become a source of nourishment for a multitude of decomposers, including fungi, bacteria, and scavengers. By decomposing organic matter, they facilitate the recycling of nutrients in their environment, paving the way for a thriving ecosystem. Thus, giant stick insects are not merely masters of disguise. They bind the delicate threads of life together, creating a healthier, balanced habitat that showcases the interconnectedness of nature. In the heart of the Amazon rainforest, the giant water bug thrives, embodying the relentless spirit of aquatic predators. These formidable insects, often reaching sizes of up to 4 inches, are equipped with an array of unique adaptations that allow them to dominate their environment. With flat bodies and a sleek design, they glide beneath the water's surface with grace, while their long, kick-like front legs resemble the oars of a rowboat, propelling them swiftly through tangled vegetation. Hunting is an art form for the giant water bug, with a stealthy approach. They utilize their impressive camouflage to blend seamlessly with the murky waters of the Amazon. As they stalk their prey, a keen awareness of their surroundings keeps them poised for action. When the moment is right, these apex predators spring into action, extending their powerful legs to capture fish and small amphibians with an overwhelming force that leaves little chance for escape. What truly sets giant water bugs apart is their predatory instincts. Honed over millions of years of evolution, their piercing mouthparts have evolved into a specialized beak that delivers a venomous bite, immobilizing their prey instantly. Once subdued, the bugs can ingest their meal with ease, demonstrating their role as both hunter and scavenger in the aquatic ecosystem. Often, giant water bugs will consume any type of animal within their purview, contributing to the delicate balance of life in the water. Beyond their ferocity as predators, giant water bugs play a crucial role in maintaining the health of Amazonian aquatic ecosystems. By preying on smaller insects and fish, they help regulate populations and prevent any single species from overwhelming the ecosystem. This intricate food web reveals the interdependence of species and the importance of each creature, no matter how fearsome, in sustaining the environment we cherish. As fascinating as they are fearsome, giant water bugs remain vital players in the circle of life within the Amazon. Their presence is a testament to the adaptability and resilience of nature. As guardians of their submerged domain, these predatory insects illustrate the complexity of ecological relationships, reminding us of the significant and often unseen roles even the smallest creatures play in the grand tapestry of life. In the lush canopies of South America, the Goliath bird-eater spider reigns supreme as one of the largest spiders in the world. With a leg span that can reach up to a foot, its sheer size is an awe-inspiring sight that captivates all who encounter it. The Goliath bird-eater is adorned with a dense coat of fine hairs, giving it a formidable appearance that commands respect in its natural habitat. Its brownish-black coloration allows it to blend seamlessly into the forest floor, serving as both camouflage and a warning signal to potential predators. As a skilled predator, the Goliath bird-eater employs a fascinating hunting strategy. This spider primarily feeds on insects, but it is also known to target small vertebrates, including frogs and even small birds. Utilizing its exceptional speed, the Goliath bird-eater ambushes its prey with remarkable precision. Its fangs, which can measure up to 2 inches in length, deliver a venomous bite that subdues its catch. Although its venom is potent enough to paralyze small animals, it is important to note that humans are not at significant risk. The bite may cause temporary pain or discomfort, but it is not life-threatening, often described as comparable to a bee sting. Beyond its daunting presence and impressive hunting skills, the Goliath bird-eater plays a critical role in the ecosystem. As a natural controller of insect populations, this giant spider helps maintain the ecological balance within its environment. By preying on a variety of insects, it prevents overpopulation and the potential spread of diseases that can affect both plants and animals. Thus, the Goliath bird-eater contributes to the overall health of the forest, showcasing that even the most fearsome creatures have a purpose in nature's grand design. In summary, the Goliath bird-eater spider is a magnificent example of the wonders of the natural world. Its extraordinary size and appearance may evoke fear, but its intriguing behavior and ecological significance reveal a creature that is both fascinating and essential. Embrace the Goliath bird-eater not just as a giant among spiders, but as a vital part of our planet's intricate web of life. The Amazon rainforest, a colossal cradle of life, teems with breathtaking biodiversity, forming a vital part of our planet's ecosystem. This lush expanse, often referred to as the lungs of the Earth, is not merely a backdrop of striking beauty, but a sanctuary that shelters millions of plant and animal species. As the world becomes increasingly urbanized, the importance of conservation efforts to protect this irreplaceable resource has never been more crucial. The interconnectedness of life within this ecosystem plays a significant role in regulating the climate and purifying the air we breathe, making it imperative for humanity to act responsibly. Yet, the Amazon faces unprecedented threats. Human activities, deforestation for agriculture and logging, mining operations, and reckless urban expansion are carving deep scars into this vibrant landscape. This destruction not only displaces countless species, but also releases vast amounts of carbon dioxide, intensifying climate change. As bulldozers roar and chainsaws slice through age-old trees, a rich tapestry of life is systematically unraveled. This loss transcends geographical boundaries. It affects global climate patterns and the very fabric of life on Earth. Education is a powerful tool in the fight for the Amazon's survival. By fostering awareness and understanding of the unique challenges facing this region, we can inspire individuals to advocate for its preservation. Encouraging viewers to explore the magnificence of the Amazon, whether through documentaries, educational programs, or nature excursions, deepens their connection to the rainforest and its inhabitants. It ignites a sense of responsibility that transcends language and culture, uniting us in a common goal. To aid the Amazon, support conservation organizations committed to its protection is crucial. These groups work tirelessly to monitor environmental threats, restore habitats, and engage local communities in sustainable practices. By contributing resources, whether through donations or volunteer work, individuals can make a profound difference. Each small action, multiplied across many voices, has the potential to create significant change. Share the stories of the Amazon and its people. Let their struggles for survival resonate in your heart. In conclusion, the Amazon rainforest holds treasures that must be safeguarded for generations to come. Awareness, respect, and dedicated action are the bedrock of successful conservation efforts. As stewards of the Earth, it is our responsibility to advocate for and protect this invaluable resource, ensuring that the breathtaking biodiversity of the Amazon continues to thrive.